So now we continue with the nursing audit using results. The result aid to modify nursing care plan and nursing care process, including discharge planning for selected patient outcome, implementing a program for improving documentation of nursing care through improved charity policies, methodologies and forms, focusing of nursing rounds and team conferences. Focusing supervisory attention upon areas of weakness identified, such as one particular nursing unit or specified employees, designing responsive orientation and in-service education programs. Audit cycle: define the standards, measure current practice, identify gaps, decide and implement action, review standards. Audit cycle: step 1, define the standards. Standards comprise of two elements, that is, one is structure and process. Structure is the environmental elements required to deliver care, example policy, procedures, clinical setting, equipment, etc. Process: professional elements required to deliver care. Outcome: measurable elements demonstrating results of care, example leg ulcer, healing time, breastfeeding duration, immunization levels, smoking cessation, dying at home. The elements contain criteria which should be reliable, understandable, measurable, behaviorable and acceptable. Step 2, measure current practice within the selected topic. Third, identify gaps in service provision. Step 4, decide and implement action. This is the hardest area to address and involves input from the whole team. An action plan needs to be developed. Step 5, review standards. If the standard is easily met, does it need to be raised? Is the standard too high? What are the future needs? Steps to problem solving process in planning care: collects patient data in a systematic manner, includes description of patient's pre-hospital routines, severity of illness, lab tests, vital signs, physical assessment. States nurses' diagnosis, writes nursing orders, suggests immediate and long-term goals, implements nursing care plan, plans health teaching for patients, evaluate the plan of care. Prerequisites of nursing audit: audit committee. Audit committee consists of members including senior nurses as members to do nursing audit. The committee should comprise of a minimum of 5 members who are interested in quality assurance. It is recommended that each member should review not more than 10 patients each month, and that the auditor should have the ability to carry out an audit in about 15 minutes. If there are less than 50 discharge per month, all the records may be audited. If there are large number of records to be audited, an auditor may select 10% of discharge. The impetus must come from the nursing staff themselves.